What's up guys, Lon here from Android Authority, and this is the Nubia Red Magic Mars. It's a gaming phone that launched in China about a month ago, and it's here at CES 2019. The Red Magic Mars looks exactly like what you would expect from a gaming product. It has a lot of sharp lines and angles, and this particular version comes with red accents, which is something that is typically associated with a lot of gaming products. There's even an RGB LED strip on the back because it's a gaming phone, so why not? The Red Magic Mars uses a Snapdragon 845 processor and comes in 3 different configurations. You have 6 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of storage, 8 gigs of RAM with 128 gigs of storage, or 10 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of storage. It also has a 6-inch Full HD Plus display, a 3800 mAh battery, and it even has a headphone jack. Now, there are a couple of things that makes the Magic Mars a quote-unquote gaming phone. One, it uses a hybrid cooling system that uses a combination of both air and liquid to keep the phone performing at its best when you're gaming. 2, it comes with these capacitive shoulder buttons or triggers that you can use when you're playing games. You can map the shoulder buttons to whatever functions you want based on the game that you're playing. So for example, in this PUBG demo, I had my right trigger mapped to aiming down the sights of my gun and my left trigger to shooting the gun. I think I would have liked these buttons better if they were physical, but it does make the phone feel a little more like a gamepad and keeps your fingers off the screen. There's also a switch on the left side of the phone that launches you into a game mode where you can quickly launch and flip through your entire collection of games and also do things like boost performance while gaming. The best part about the Red Magic Mars is that it's available globally, and you can buy it in North America starting January 31st at a starting price of $399. Not a bad price at all if you want a phone with high-end specs and is oriented towards gaming. But what do you guys think about the Red Magic Mars? Let me know down in the comment section below if this is a gaming phone that you would be interested in. And keep it tuned here to Android Authority. There's a lot more CES 2019 coverage coming.